Today we have with us the man who goes viral every time he posts a picture on his social media. We have with us Milind Soman, who is also awaiting the release of a very exciting web series जो आने वाली है. Milind, firstly, welcome to Zoom.
Thank you.
We don't see people at 55 at this fit, but what keeps you motivated? What keeps you inspired? क्या tips देंगे viewers को on staying fit?
Tips तो मैं देता नहीं हूँ. I don't advise, but I enjoy being fit, and I enjoy being healthy. So to me, again, to understand what it means to me is I want to be happy. Everybody wants to be happy, but to me, happiness is not having any fear. When I want to do something, anything, I want to do anything in my life. Tomorrow I might have some dream. Ajay, मुझे ये करना है. I should not be stopped because I'm physically incapable or mentally incapable or emotionally restricted. That is the level of fitness. So for me, fitness means living your life to the fullest, doing whatever you want to do. That depends on your level. That determines your level of fitness, not how much you can run or how much weight you can lift. Can you live your life in a positive way that it satisfies you completely? That determines your level of fitness.
आप कितने घंटे वर्कआउट करते हैं?
15-20 minutes. That's it. That's why. So for people who think that it's difficult, or you think that you need a certain kind of space, or you need a certain kind of equipment, or certain kind of food, अभी तो बहुत सारा information है इन चीज़ों के बारे में. I work out at home. I need 8 feet by 10 feet to work out. I run a lot, but whenever I can, अगर समय नहीं है तो मैं नहीं करता हूँ. If I have 20 minutes, I run for 20 minutes. I have 2 hours, I run for 2 hours. But I definitely work out about 15-20 minutes every day. And that is also not at once. I do 2 minutes, then I do something else. Then before lunch, I might do another 5 minutes. Then before tea, I might do 1 minute again. Then before sleeping, I might do 4 minutes. So in that, those are actually, it is a concept called micro workout. So you choose whatever movements you want to do. You challenge yourself within those. Like for example, if I want to do push-ups and I can do maybe 10, then every time I do it, I want to increase 1. And how much time does it take? To do 10 push-ups takes 10 seconds. 10 seconds of my time. I mean, who doesn't have 10 seconds? But only जब हम सोचते हैं उसके बारे में हमें लगता है नहीं 1 घंटा जिम में जाना पड़ेगा, फिर जिम में जाने के लिए समय लगता है, आने के लिए समय लगता है, फिर वो खाना अलग से खाना पड़ेगा. But it's not like that. I have no diet, I have no restrictions. I know what makes me feel better and what doesn't make me feel so good, and whatever doesn't make me feel so good, I minimize it.
जैसे कि आपने अभी कुछ समय पहले you had posted a pic where you were in Goa and running naked, so उस पे भी काफ़ी reaction आया था. But what do you want to say, like what were your views on that? And there was a case also filed in Goa, but जो एक discussion हुआ था कि when females do it, there's a different reaction, but why is it okay when males do it? Like when males post a picture, like when at the same time there was a
I have to answer. How do I know? The people who object,
but आपके क्या views?
they object because they can't deal with it for some reason. I don't know what is the reason they can't deal with it. Like if you see on my birthday when I posted that picture, everybody brought up that question because of Poonam Pandey, I think, and saying कि Milind Soman को nobody, everybody is saying wow for Milind Soman, and for her they're saying no. But Jennifer Lopez posted a picture recently on her 50th birthday, I think, completely naked. Nobody said anything. Was it? I don't know why. She's a woman and 50 years old. 50 years old, where we would say, कि forget a 25-year-old girl doing that. A 50-year-old woman, we would say, Are, don't you know how old you are? Are you supposed to be doing things like this? There are people like that. So for us to get rid of those kind of conceptions, कि this is right when you're 18 and it's not right when you're 36, and this is okay when you're a man and it's not okay if you're a woman, it will take time. But quicker and quicker, these things are changing. And people don't like change. Some people don't like change. So they fight against it. No, how can it be correct? How can it be wrong?
Also, the year is coming to an end. Milind, क्या plans है Christmas के? Do you celebrate the festival, or what are your plans with Ankita?
So the only celebration festival that we celebrate is Raksha Bandhan, actually in my family. We don't celebrate any other festivals. And what we do every year for New Year's, for the last 8 or 9 years, I think, is we do a long run. It's called the last long run. Okay. Because I run. Yeah. And we do a 150 kilometer run on the 30th and 31st of December. And wherever we end up, there is the party. So it's a 150 kilometer run. Last year we were in Japan. We ran from Tokyo to Mount Fuji. This year we are running from Guwahati to Cherrapunji. And there are about 5, 6, 10 people together. We all run together. and that's the kind of party we have. I know some people might
डिफरेंट एंड इंटरेस्टिंग बट अमेजिंग. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, मैंने ट्रेलर देखा पौरशपुर का.
कैसा लगा?
ट्रेलर इज़ वेरी एक्साइटिंग. सो आपको पर्सनली कैसा रिस्पॉन्स मिला है ट्रेलर पे अभी तक फ्रॉम योर फैंस एंड
Very good. I mean, I'm really happy to say that the responses have been so positive. In fact, जब पहली बार मैंने एक फोटो डाला था, which was a very tight close-up, it was only this much of my face. और उसमें of course you could see the nose pin, you could see the kajal, and most of my face was covered with gulal. तब लोगों ने कहा कि ये क्या है, ये क्यों डाला है, we want to see you macho and you're so masculine and you can't put this nose pin, and you know, and a lot of people said that, and a lot of people also said अरे क्या look है लोग कहते हैं.
like I'm not sure if it is a trance or like ये अभी तक I'm not sure if it's revealed, but did you have any like second thoughts before taking up this role or taking up this project?
Actually जब ये project आया था मेरे पास, it was for the king,
Okay.
not for Boris.
अच्छा.
तो I said no. I said I don't want to. जी जो अनु कपूर जी का रोल है, and I said no, I didn't want to play a king. Basically, I thought, you know, it's too obvious for me. So even though the character of the king is really interesting, is very complex and exciting, I just thought that, you know, king is a little, in terms of the personality, apart from the character, is not something that I want to do. और उस समय इतना development भी नहीं हुआ था. You know, it was just king, and I was like no king. But then I saw this other character, which was a secondary character. मैंने कहा ये क्या है? ये कौन है? ये क्या करता है? So he said Boris is like this. I said I want to play Boris. So I chose Boris, and then they started developing more and more and more, and it got more and more interesting.
Okay.
And even while we were shooting, changes तो होते रहते थे. So even the dialogue wise, it became more interesting. The look we worked on together, it was a collaborative effort. कि how will the hair be? How will the makeup be? How will the costumes be? What will the attitude be like?
When a series like this, you know, जिसमें like there's a representation of sexuality and so how important like how to draw the line or where to draw the line between showing, you know, sexuality and which can anytime become vulgarity also. So वो जो एक line draw करना होता है, how important is that and वो कैसे draw किया है ये?
So drawing the line is again, it's an individual pursuit and an individual question, क्योंकि जिसे हम vulgarity कहते हैं या obscenity कहते हैं या nudity, art in nudity, whatever we categorize it as is a subjective question. What you might think is art, I might think is vulgar. What I might think is beautiful, somebody else might say is obscene. You know, so it's subjective. You can't say. There is no clear guideline, and there can't be, because actually what we are talking about is something natural.